This is our thermal barrel cutting equipment. This site is almost ready for shipment. Only the electronic control part is left and finished. This machine can cut graphite rod, height below 1.5 meters. Here is another site, which is half assembled. The loading table is almost done. We may need 3 to 4 days to finish the hardware parts, then another week for the software parts. This video is took on our client's factory site. This graphite was just cut by our machine. Its diameter is 116 cm and height 920 cm. Let's see the cut surface. It's so nice and smooth that you can never see the cutting sign. Let's see the tube. Tube thickness is constant. And the inner surface. You can see it's very smooth too. It's very nice, right?